forgot your Windows 11 password? Don't worry, Windows 11 can reveal it in under 30 seconds. Step number 1. Press the Windows plus R key, then type this simple command ncpa.cpl. Then click on the OK tab. So in this slide, simply choose your network adapter. So double click on this Wi-Fi network adapter. So after this, simply click on the status tab, and here you just need to click on the wireless properties tab, and then after this you have to click on the security tab, and boom, simply check this box and you can easily find your saved Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. But wait, if this tutorial helps you, do not forget to like, comment, share and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.